Hey guys, it's David, and today I want to do a video on Lux Algo. It's a program that I utilize for the marketplace for trading and long-term holds. Now, if you guys didn't realize, the market is actually very, very much down in the crypto space as well as stocks. But this is always the best opportunity. It's always best to slowly kind of move your portfolio and build your portfolio during these troubled times when things are going on the dip, when things are red. So Lux Algo is a program that I utilize to see when is a good buying opportunity on the hourly, the daily, weekly, monthly, etc. So it's a really nice tool. And if you guys are looking to get into trading or long-term holding, the best time to invest is when things are down, when everyone's scared and fearful, is when you take your opportunity to buy on the cheap. All right. So we're going to get into Lux Algo. I'm going to tell you what I think about it and some real time usage as well. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So if you guys didn't already notice, within the last year, the crypto markets have been extremely bearish over the last year. So we had all-time highs late last year, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything was moving forward. And then we have now the bear market. So we've taken significant dips over the last year to date. We're down 71%. Bitcoin's down 56%. Binance Coin's down 59. So as you can see, the top cryptos are down, 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 down. And if you guys took profit on the top and you're in, then great. If you didn't, then you're like in my situation, and you're just holding. So obviously, the best opportunity is to take profits on when things are extremely bullish. You want to take your profits out, buy back in when it's bearish and low, but we can't always time the market properly. But what you can do right now is take advantage of these dirt cheap prices in which you can start accumulating. If you want to get into crypto, or you want to get into a specific stock, now's your chance again, right? The financial markets have been extremely brutal. A lot of FUD, a lot of negativity about inflation, obviously the war over across the world there, a lot going on. But, you know, while you're grinding, while you're putting in your time, if you have some assets and you want to start building your portfolio up, this is the best time. It's not the best time when you're buying it at the top when everything's super high. We're going to buy when it's dirt cheap assets you believe in so that when it gains 70% again, when it gains 50% again, you could be the one laughing so you can take some profits, right? So I've been utilizing Lux Algo for quite some time and I use it for some day trading, but mostly dollar cost averaging in on specific assets. So if you load up trading view, you can see this indicating software loaded up. So it's called Lux Algo. And once you input this algorithm, this indicator, you can see that it tells you there's a strong buy signal there or strong sell signal. This is just on the 4-hour chart. You can adjust this to the 1-month chart, right? Week chart, whatever. So if you go a little bit further, like a monthly chart, it would have pinpointed when it was time to take some profits. And it hasn't been back since, okay? So it hasn't been back since it told you us to sell at 60%. At 60,000. Did all of us listen? No. So let's go to a more reasonable chart. Let's go to the daily charts, okay? So you get daily charts in which you can see signals as well. And this is just Bitcoin. You can go to any asset that has a reasonable chart on trading view, okay? So let's go back to November last year is when we got as bullish as possible at 67,000. Another point was April 2021, in which we reached 63. Then we went, basically got halved because there was some FUD out there. And then we went back up again, which was our saving grace, but we didn't We all didn't listen, myself included. Myself included. Went drink some water, guys. Myself included, and didn't sell. Even though Lux Algo told me I should probably take profit. Okay, I should probably take profit, but I didn't. So it is what it is. But while you're accumulating, these are good. These are good signals in which you should look at possibly jumping in at these specific points. Okay. So once it goes bullish again, you'll see a buy signal. Now, if you go out to the smaller time charts, like a 4-hour chart, it'll tell you when a good time to kind of buy back in would be. These are kind of like day trade signals here where you would buy here, then take some profit there and sell and make that difference. Okay. But we're just extremely bearish right now. Right? We're just extremely bearish right now. You can even go to a 1-hour chart and kind of see some momentum. Now that's a very small time frame, right? So it said buy again at 20,000 and then take your profits at 22,000. So if you had 20K, you invested, you would have made $2,000. That's how it works. That's how it works. So I personally really like it. I use it not so much for day trading because I always get wrecked when I try to day trade, to be honest. But long-term holding entry points, I think the software works really, really well. And this is just Bitcoin. You can actually use it for pretty much every asset that's available in the space. So let's say you were a trader of, GameStop. Yeah, GameStop. The same aspects will work, buy and sell signals on the hour, on the 4-hour. So you can literally day trade stocks. And it's actually most beneficial when you're very volatile, right? When it's very volatile is the best time to trade because you get a lot more profits because it swings up and down, right? And if you sell at the right times, then you can make some extreme profits if you want to trade. But let's look at this. This was back in May 12th. It told you to buy, now sell. So you would have made the difference here of almost double, right? It does work on the short time frame as well. 1 hour, yeah. And yeah, like I said, any asset that has a trading view chart, right? So these are all the different assets I follow. What's another one that's good? Want to show you guys Tesla. Tesla's extremely low right now. Let's go 4-hour. Right. So on the 25th, I told you to buy at 621 and then told you to sell on June 1st. Okay. Then you would have made definitely some profits here, right? Made a little bit of profit there per share. Let's go to go crazy, go to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Bought here at 634 and sold at the 690. You could have took profit back in at 627. So you can literally do this all day for trading. Okay. If you're trading, if you're dollar cost averaging in, that's what I recommend using it for. You can also use the tool. Now you're also going to see some cool stuff like institutional activity percentage, bulls versus bears. So you can go bulls is at 64%. Once you get extremely bullish in the upwards direction, you're going to see like 80%, 90%. If you're going bearish, you're going to see it under the 50%. So just an overall amazing tool. I have it adjusted the way I like to use it. You guys don't have to use it the way I use it. There's some settings you can adjust, the sensitivity levels here. And I keep mine fairly low, but you can actually extend that higher and it's going to have less signals. It's just going to have less often. so that you can really make a strong decision. But I like to keep mine very low so I can see more signals, the better for me. And there's other things you can set up like your settings and adjust colors and things like that. But I get distracted by most of the stuff here. But yeah, I do like the software. If you go to Lux Algo's website, and it enhances your trading experience. This is what it looks like on mobile, and I use it on my phone as well. We created the next generation tools on TradingView and Discord to help the world trade smarter. Right? The solution for turning confusion into clarity, and this is what the tool looks like. You can also have these little charts as well, in which you can see it a little differently than this for the buy and sell signals. Okay, a little more discreet. And you're going to also get to be part of the Discord as well. Some positive reviews here. These are the breakdowns of the memberships. Now, if you guys really want to trade, you guys really want to do dollar cost averaging in at the right times and utilize the signals here, then I would invest probably on the quarterly or the yearly, just because you're saving money. You're saving 30% on quarterly, you're saving 40% on yearly. So yeah, that's what I would do. A lot of people that sign up with my link, which I'm going to include my link down below, they do the monthly, but you actually save more money on the quarterly or yearly. So I would recommend that. It does help my channel if you guys use my link down below as well. It does help out the channel here as an affiliate marketer, but it's completely up to you. Now, what I would also recommend is there's something called Lifetime. So if you go to Lifetime, use this code. I'm going to include the code down below for 20% off of all these. So you get a 20% off on top of this sale price. If you go higher quarterly or yearly, plus 20% off, I'll include the promo code down below. But if you guys go to Lifetime, you can get this exclusive lifetime option, which if you stack with the 20% will knock it from $1,000 to $800. So that's what I would do. Then you have it for life. Don't have to worry about no monthly options or anything like that. You just get it. You'll get the indication software that on TradingView, you get a VIP Discord group, signal setting optimizations with the PDF, real-time alerts, and 24/7 customer service, which I haven't used before. But for $1,000 lifetime, it's pretty good. Plus, you use my code, you'll get 20% off. So that's 800, and you don't have to think about it again. All right. So that's all I want to show you guys for Lux Algo today. I've been using this for over a year now, and I personally love it. And I recommend it to everybody that's looking to check out graphs. You're not an advanced analyst or anything when it comes to charts. Then I would plug in on TradingView, the free TradingView if you want, or the monthly paid for TradingView. The only difference is there's no ads on the monthly, but you can start with a free. But yeah, lifetime Lux Algo, instead of $1,000, you get it for 800 with the code, with the 20% off. Appreciate you guys watching today's video. I know that the market is a little brutal, but this is time to buy, guys. Everything on the cheap. So hustle your butt off, make some extra money. That's what I'm doing, and invest in the assets that will treat you well later. Okay, that you believe in. All right, this is David. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. Please hit the like button if you didn't already do so, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.